Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a updated skincare routine for you guys. The last skincare routine video I did pretty well. That was about a year ago, so I definitely wanted to do an updated version since my products have definitely changed since then. So the first thing I'm going to do is dance and put on my headband to push my hair out of my face so I can begin washing my face. As you'll see in this next clip, what I'm going to do is wet my face, but I'm actually going to massage the water into my skin. That for me, for my oily skin, is going to kind of loosen up some of those oils and debris to make cleansing a little bit easier for me. So the face washes that I'll be using today is either going to be the Derma E Super Repair Cleanser. This right here I like to use when I'm having kind of like more breakouts or discoloration. It has pomegranate and green tea, so it kind of balances out the skin. It's pretty good, I guess you can say, for discoloration. I've noticed kind of a difference in my skin after using this product, and I've been using it for, I don't even know, probably 4 or 5 months now, in conjunction with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin. I like to use this cleanser when I'm having not as many breakouts, just kind of like a normal skin day. It's for normal to oily skin, so it's just like a usual everyday cleanser I use. It has no fragrance, so it's definitely good for those with sensitive skin. And then after I wash that off, next I usually will go to a face scrub. So the face scrub that I'm going to use today, I believe is going to be, well, this is like a knockoff Kroger brand of the Apricot scrub by St. Ives. And I'll either use that scrub right here, which is on the left hand side, the purple bottle, or I'll use my Freeman black charcoal scrub. That is pretty much more abrasive. It's for the days where I notice my skin is a little more dull and I want to bring it back to life. Or if I have acne blemishes or breakouts, then Apricot scrub is really good for that. But since my skin is overall doing pretty good, I'm just going to go with the Apricot scrub and massage that into my face. Here you can see it's a thicker scrub, and it does have salicylic acid in it, so it does help you fight those acne breakouts as well as get rid of the dead skin. So I really work that in, and I take my time with exfoliating. I think exfoliating is so important because not only does it get rid of the dead skin cells, it unclogs your pores, brightens your skin, evens your skin out. It's just definitely good overall to get that dead skin out so you don't get your pores clogged, basically. And I really work that around my nose and around my cheek area where I'll have my breakouts. And then next, I will just take a regular washcloth, a clean one, of course, and I'm going to wash it off or wipe it off my face because it's so thick. And it looks like I'm being super rough with my skin, but I promise I'm not, guys. I'm just really making sure that I get all the little beads off because this mask has like a million little beads in it. And even if you wash your face a couple times, they'll be left over. So after this, I'm definitely going to still rinse my face. But just to get the base off, I'm going to use this washcloth. And then once I have all of that completed, I am going to take a toner. I always take a toner no matter what. Today I decided to use witch hazel, and I take that on a little cotton ball, get a good amount of that, and I just tone my face with it. And then for moisturizers, I have 3 different moisturizers that I use. I use one in a pair and I use one separately. So this moisturizer is for all skin types. It's by The Body Shop. It's just a vitamin C Aqua Boost lotion, but it feels like, it's hard to explain. It's like a watery consistency, but it still moisturizes and it still provides my skin with the benefits of the vitamin E, which I really like. Or I like to use my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. 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 It's oil free, so I definitely love anything that's oil free for my oily skin. It just wouldn't work. So that also helps you fight acne breakouts if you have any severe acne breakouts, because it has salicylic acid in it, but it's also gentle enough to wear every single day where you won't look like a grease ball, and it's not very abrasive. And then I mix that usually with the vitamin C serum by Advanced Clinicals. And I'm going to show you the consistency. It's very runny. It looks like water, but it works so good. It's so moisturizing, you guys. I will only really recommend it for oily skin though, because if you have drier skin, it may not tend to your dry skin needs like you need. And then I also apply this under my eyes. As you can see, I am gentle with my under eye area, but I will Jesus guys, I can't talk. I will apply products under my eye that have brightening properties if I know it's gentle enough. So I do put my moisturizer under there. And as you can see, I don't really have many dark circles. I drink plenty of water, and I always, like I said, focus on products that have vitamin C and vitamin E. That really helps balance out the discoloration. And then here I'm going to show you that with my ring finger, which is the most gentle finger, I am massaging that product under my eye and making sure to bring that product up my neck. That helps prevent sagging skin in the future. And that pretty much concludes it, guys. It's really simple. Here I'm going to just take off my headband, let my hair free, and admire my clear skin. Thanks for watching, guys. And hopefully you got a couple products you like to try, a couple product recommendations. If you have the same skin type as me, I definitely just recommend these products. They're so good. That in conjunction with water, of course. And then as you can see, I'm doing a happy dance because my skin looks so good. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.